subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor has launched 3 new budget smartphones under 9 series in Russia called Honor 9S, 9A and 9C. Among these 3, the Honor 9S is the most affordable phone of this series. Talking about the specifications, the Honor 9S supports a 5.45-inch display with HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek's Helio P22 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The device packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Honor 9S features a single 8MP camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture, and at the front it has 5MP selfie camera under the thick bezels on the top. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 based on Magic UI 3.1 skin on the top, and it comes equipped by 3020 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 146.5 by 70.84 by 8.35mm, and it weighs around 144 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor 9S has been priced in Russia at 6,990 Russian rubles. The smartphone will go on sale starting from May 4th in the country in black, blue and red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 9S smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.